You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hello everybody, Paulie here, and you are looking at an instant pizza crust mix. Now you may recall I did one made by Pillsbury, and I never realized how popular these pizza mixes really are. And they're popular. So I decided to try this one from Betty Crocker. Yeah, this one, just add water. But you do need to grease your pan that you make the pizza on or in. It will make one 12-inch pizza. So right now I got the oven heating up to 450. To make this pizza dough, you gotta stir in a half cup of hot water. Not boiling water, but just hot water. A half cup into this mix in a bowl. Mix it all up. Make sure there's no more dry powder. And then you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you're just gonna press it down into a pizza pan, a greased pizza pan, and you're gonna cook it, again at 450, for 12 to 17 minutes on the lowest rack in your oven. This mix does have a bioengineered food ingredient. Okay, let's get to mixing. Apparently it doesn't matter which you put in first, according to the instructions. Half cup of hot tap water. And then we're gonna mix it. Get that all up in there. Looks like we got it all. We got it all together. And now we'll cover it up for 5 minutes. Okay, so I oiled that pizza pan. And let's take a look because it's been 5 minutes. Looks like oatmeal. Okay. We got the flour. Don't want that to be there. All right. Now, they say 1 cup of sauce, 1 cup of cheese should go on top of here. And that's what I have here. Let's apply it. To me, it seems like 1 cup is a little excessive. We'll find out. That's a lot of sauce. But it might be just about right.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And I get to lick the spoon. 1 cup of cheese. Why am I doing this verbatim? So that you, the best subscribers on YouTube, know if this fake crust will turn out right. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, let's throw it in the oven. Lowest rack in the oven. It says 12 to 17 minutes. We'll do it for 15. I almost bumped my hand. Timer. Boom. and she's off. Alright, 15 minutes has passed. It's on my makeshift cooling rack, and it looks kind of frozen pizza-ish. Put some basil leaves on there. Got more than enough. Alright, here we go. What I do appreciate about this pizza crust, this mix, more than the Pillsbury one already, is the fact that you don't have to pre-cook the crust before you put the toppings on. I really hate that. So, thumbs up to you, Betty Crocker. There you go. I just followed the instructions. Someone's gonna say, you overcooked it. No, I want that in the happy middle of the cooking time recommendations. And crust does break. It may be a little bready. It is kind of falling apart, to tell you the truth. But let's give it a try. I'm dying to try it. I'm hungry. The crust kind of has a one-dimensional taste. Tastes kind of like flour. Now, if I was ever to make this ever again for some reason, I would put more cheese on there than 1 cup. Especially with 1 cup of sauce. Sorry, Betty. Now, would I recommend this? Yes and no. No, because you might as well just get a frozen pizza. It has about the same flavor profile, maybe less. And as for yes, it will give you a little cooking knowledge on using some raw dough. Even though you didn't really make any dough, you just added water. Betty Crocker and I thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. At least I will.